Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 23rd of March. I'm James Spann. Another severe weather threat ahead for Alabama. That will be coming Thursday and Thursday night. We'll focus on that, but a lot of rain is on the way as well. In fact, we've already got some pretty decent rain amounts falling today. Let's go right to the upper air look across the country this afternoon. You can see one shortwave trough lifting out across the plains in the Midwest. Another one hanging back over the southwest United States. That's the one that will bring the chance of severe weather on Thursday. Cloudy across all of Alabama this afternoon. That's the visible satellite view. And underneath the clouds, rain is falling over a pretty good chunk of the state. Heavier rain down in Mobile and Baldwin counties in southwest Alabama, where a flash flood watch is in effect. That includes counties like Clark, Choctaw, Monroe, Conecuh, Escambia, Baldwin, Mobile, and Washington. And that might be in effect for a while, as they're going to see waves of rain right on through Thursday night. This is the severe weather outlook through today. We've got a marginal risk over parts of northern Missouri and some of the adjacent states. Closer to home, we have a marginal risk over the southwestern corner of the state and a slight risk, level 2 out of 5, across southeast Louisiana. This is tomorrow. Got the standard slight risk over parts of southern Arkansas back over towards Shreveport. In Alabama, a marginal risk clips the far western side of the state from near Hamilton down to Mobile and Baldwin counties. But the bulk of the severe weather problems obviously will be on this day. This is Thursday, day 3. We have a fairly large severe weather threat across the Deep South. And this is the probabilistic outlook from the SPC. In that enhanced risk, there is a 30% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a given point. In the hatched area there, that means we have the chance of significant severe weather, including potential for a few strong violent tornadoes. In Alabama, we have the level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk as far east as Scottsboro, Clanton, and Grove Hill. The rest of the state in a level 2 out of 5, slight risk for Thursday and Thursday night. More about the setup here in just a moment. And a lot of rain for the next 7 days. Mobile and Baldwin counties could receive up to 7 inches of rain. For the rest of the state, rain amounts between 2 and 4 inches are likely. And this is between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So let's dive into modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And you can see troughing to the west. And for us, the day should be fairly quiet. Could there be a few scattered showers? Yes, but a decent chunk of the day dry, mostly cloudy, mild, maybe the sun peeking through at times with highs in the upper 70s. So Thursday, this is the GFS, 4 o'clock. It has a surface low located west of Nashville, under 1,000 millibars. The European has a surface low of similar strength over southern Missouri. One way or the other, we will be in the warm sector. And this obviously, the European look is a more favorable setup for severe weather. And the question is, how does the day unfold? So we're now within range of the high-resolution 3-kilometer NAM, the convection-allowing model. So this is Thursday morning at 7 o'clock. And you can see there's evidence we could see some rain Thursday morning. And the question is, could a larger rain mass be in place to keep the air stable? At this point, it looks like probably not. But there could be some convection during the morning hours. Now, let's go to 4 o'clock Thursday, and this is when conditions favor supercells. And you can see evidence of the chance of supercell thunderstorms that are cellular, mainly north and west of Interstate 59. Any of these storms that fire could be dangerous. And then this is Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, suggesting a linear type system comes in here. So we might have a batch of storms in the morning, supercells in the afternoon and evening, and then a line of storms Thursday night with potential for widespread wind damage. This is the instability Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. And again, you can see the values are approaching 2,000 joules per kilogram on the western side of the state. Storm relative velocity, 0 to 1 kilometer, very high values. That'll set the updrafts into motion. And these are very elevated STP values, the significant tornado parameter. In fact, the max here is 12.63 over West Alabama Thursday evening. So obviously it's going to be a setup where it's going to be another day to be very weather aware. And you know what to do if you watch the videos. Get the warnings, have a plan, know where you're going. But again, we're going to ask the same thing we asked you last week. Be sure your friends and neighbors and relatives know that Thursday and Thursday night could bring a significant severe weather event to the state, and they've got to pay very close attention. So let's go to Friday. Everything is on by, with the sky becoming partly sunny. The high will be in the upper 70s. This is Saturday, evidence with this next wave of showers over the northern half of the state. I don't think it rains all day. South Alabama looks dry, and the day should be pretty warm. We could see low 80s on Saturday. This is Sunday. Got a stalled surface boundary nearby, and again, we'll have the chance of showers. We'll be in the 70s. Will it rain all day? No. Severe weather? Probably not, but certainly a chance of some rain at times. And this run wants to keep the rain in place on Monday. Other runs have pushed a drier air mass in here, so confidence in early next week is not especially high. This is a week from today, Tuesday, March 30th, troughing north and west of the state, and that looks to be a drier day. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, April 2nd, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. Next week, generally speaking, looks relatively quiet. This is rain for Birmingham over the next 15 days off the GFS ensemble. The mean, a little over 3 inches for Birmingham. Some of the members exceed 5 inches. And temperatures, you can see very mild. Highs should stay in the 70s for a while. Lows mostly in the 50s. And hot off the presses, the brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for March 31st through April 6th. Suggesting temperatures above average over much of the contiguous United States. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.